Good day, my mates. This is my Project Bentley, and it has many issues. The biggest of all is, it does not start. I bought it off a lady who said it was working fine, then it started stopping in the middle of nowhere. She took it to a garage, and they put a new alternator on, and a new battery, and it was fine for a while until it stopped for good, and Thoy said the ECU is faulty. So, here I have it. I cleaned the spark plugs real quick and had a go at it. It still does not start, and it sounds like a tractor. What do you think I should look for next? Leave a comment below. Thanks.